In this video, I will show you how to play Portal Worlds on PC. It should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Although this is an Android game, it's absolutely possible to play this on PC using something called the Bluestacks app player. Bluestacks is an Android emulator which allows you to play Android games on your PC or Mac. To get started, what you're going to want to do is come beneath this video and click onto the link in the video description to be taken to a website which is going to look like this. Then what you want to do, you're going to see a blue button which says Play Portal Worlds on PC. Go ahead and give that a click. What that's going to do is download the Bluestacks installer onto your PC. Once that's finished downloading, click on it and run through the steps to install Bluestacks. And once Bluestacks has finished installing, as you can see, we're going to get a window with a blue launch button. So just go ahead and click onto the blue launch button. Here we are on Bluestacks. And if you did click the link in the description below, you'll be taken directly to the install page for Portal Worlds. At this point, just simply click the install from Google Play button. That's going to take you to the install page and then just click onto install. So as you can see, that's now getting ready and that's currently now downloading and installing Portal Worlds. So in just a second, we'll be able to play that using Bluestacks. Now, just while that is installing, I just want to run through some game features and things you can do with Bluestacks, which also makes it worth downloading to play Android games on your PC. With Bluestacks, there is a built-in macro feature. So what this means is you can focus more on the fun part of the game and skip the tedious aspects. Some tasks such as dragging and dropping items and things like that can get quite tedious, but what you can do is use the macro feature to record yourself completing the monotonous tasks you wish to automate and then just replay them later with just a single key press, which is really cool. Another thing you can do is speed up the re-rolling process in Portal Worlds so you can actually perform multiple summons and keep looking for the best heroes. You can also use the multi-instance sync to replicate the re-rolling mechanism in all instances. With Bluestacks Eco Mode, you can farm in-game resources with ease in Portal Worlds. All you need to do is enable the eco mode when running the game in multiple instances and lower your PC's resource consumption. With the multi-instance sync, you can do even more in Portal Worlds. Sync the action of the main instance and repeat them in real time for all other instances. Sync and sit back and let the game progress unfold. So as you can see, there's a few great reasons for using Bluestacks, and with that being said, that's why I would highly recommend using Bluestacks to play Android games on your PC or Mac. Coming back to Bluestacks, the game has now finished installing, so I've just gone ahead and launched it on the Bluestacks player. What I'm going to do is just agree to the terms, and I just want to show you guys quickly how this runs on Bluestacks so you can see what it's like. What I'm going to do is sign in with my Google account. So this is actually really cool because if I stop playing on PC, then of course you can jump onto your mobile device and resume your progress, so you're not going to lose your save progress, which is brilliant. So as you can see, we're now here in game. What I'm going to do is just select my character, so let's just generate a random character, click create character. Now straight away you can see that Bluestacks runs really smooth. The picture is very sharp and it just runs really smooth. So let's go ahead and select our pack and then we're going to click to close and we're just going to jump into the game. Now as you can see, this is the actual gameplay itself, and this is what I want to show you guys because I want to show you how well this runs on Bluestacks. And you can see I'm actually using my mouse to control the game as well, so this is all done with your keyboard and mouse as well. So if you don't get on with touch screens, then that's another great reason to get Bluestacks. And there's also gamepad support for games as well, so you can actually come to the right hand side and click onto this orange keyboard. You can toggle the on-screen controls on and off to see what controls the game. But as you can see, as mentioned, Portal Worlds runs absolutely amazing on Bluestacks, so make sure to click that link in the description below the video to download Bluestacks and start playing Portal Worlds on your PC or Mac. So that is how to play Portal Worlds on PC. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.